This is Linda Ballantyne. I wanted to welcome you to the Crowning Touch Auction House. We're getting ready to slip you a little preview of our Valentine's Day auction, which begins tomorrow, February 13th, and goes through Saturday the 15th. And we're just going to show you some great stuff. Liz and I are just going to walk through and comment as we see things. Here's a great secretary and a wonderful buffet with a real vintage complete wash bowl and pitcher set. A wonderful canopy bed, Class A. We've got some wonderful rugs in this auction. Liz, if you see anything you want me to highlight, let me know. Precious statue. Here's a sweet little dining set over here with Hitchcock chairs. And we have everything in this auction. We have contemporary pieces, eclectic pieces, a grandfather clock, luxurious formal pieces like this formal sofa, nice leather recliner, a Henkel Harris. Now there's 6 pieces to this set. 3 are being sold as one lot and the other pieces are being sold individually. Another classy dining room set with upholstered chairs, makes it real comfortable to hang out with your family. And here is another great rug. Some nice outdoor furniture. I love the way we display these things. And a vinyl wicker settee and table. This is our bidding station. You can come on in and register. You can register online, and you can actually come on into this hybridized auction system that we've got, the only auction house in Virginia without an auctioneer, and sit in what it is that you want to bid on, or take a look at colors, or try on some of this wonderful jewelry we've got in here.
It's Valentine's Day.
And Valentine's Day, and we've got gold and precious stones. A big array of jewelry. And we have coins like we have at every auction. And at this auction we have handbags, we have some NFL bags, and some a real assortment of handbags. Let's go over here real quick. What's over here? Another 4-poster bed with a vanity, nice chairs, lots of benches. Here's another one. This is another Henkel Harris, I believe, with a chest of drawers, dressing table, dressing mirror. But this just gives you an idea. We have several flat screen TVs, and they are all guaranteed to work. This is the only auction house that guarantees all electronics. Here's a violin, and here's also a guitar. And a whole collection of collectibles. We have about 1,300 items in here at this auction. Here's a beautiful rug. And cookie jars. And another flat screen. Let's see what we have going down here. So we have lots of sofas in this auction and lots of nice rugs. But we're going to try and cover this as fast as we can so you can see what's going on. Little roll top. Another dining set. Some corner cabinets up here. Glass top table. Lots of curios. And then we get back to our section where we have exercise equipment. There's a treadmill, set of tires, lawnmower, washers, dryers, a nice refrigerator with an ice maker, more coins, and lots of tools. Lots of tools. Hedge trimmers, saws, wheelbarrows, everything that you need to keep yourself busy. And we have a grand piano, which was appraised at $3,500. It's from the 1930s. It's a Baldwin. It was recently restored. This is where our small appliances are, so that you can see what's going on up here. We have microwaves and toaster ovens and lots of china. We have books. We have records. kid furniture, and lots of tray lots. So if you're looking for glassware, we have sheets, we have table linens. And more relaxed pieces of furniture for casual living. More beds. There's a silver chest. There's a sweet little antique piece. So this gives you an idea of what's in this auction. Again, the bidding starts tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. and runs until 8 o'clock at night on Saturday night. The auction ends at 8 o'clock. We also have a wonderful raffle this Valentine's Day with the proceeds going to the American Heart Association. So you can, for anybody that shows up, you can buy tickets. There's $500 worth of prizes that you would win if your ticket is a winning ticket. So we hope to see you. And there will be great food served on Saturday. Come see us. Bye-bye.